Happy Chinese New Year, everyone! The busiest but the happiest season of the whole year. Many foods are prepared during the Chinese New Year's Eve dinner, especially some must-eat dishes, which are believed to bring good luck for the coming year. Last year, I introduced a quick and easy steamed fish recipe, which stands for the hope of having surpluses every year. This Spring Festival, I want to share with you on how to make one of the most signature Chinese dishes, dumplings. Widely popular in northern part of China, dumplings are made and shared with family members on Chinese New Year's Eve. People like to have dumplings during the New Year's Eve dinner for many reasons. First, dumplings in Mandarin, 饺子, sounds similar to alternation around midnight, which stands for the time of New Year's Eve. Also, the shape of dumplings resembles Chinese ingots, an early form of Chinese currency, which symbolizes wealth. More importantly, it's very easy and fun to make with family. The kids will be able to participate too, and the family members can talk and spend some quality time together while making the dumplings. So dumplings generally consist of minced meat with fine chopped vegetables and wrapped in a thin dough skin. The recipe for dumplings follows an easy 3-step. First, get the fillings ready. Second, get the dough skin ready. And third, wrap it up. First, get the fillings ready. This step is easy. Simply get your ingredients ready, chop them up, and mix them well. If you have a food processor, that is even better. Today, I will be making shrimp 3 delicacies dumplings and cabbage pork dumplings, but I will be leaving the ingredients of other fillings down below in the description box so you can make the ones of your choice. Here's a list of ingredients for shrimp 3 delicacies dumplings and cabbage pork dumplings. You also want to save some black vinegar, green onion, ginger, and garlic for dipping sauce. Chop everything finely, except for shrimps. You want to cut it into big pieces to keep its texture. In the bowl, mix all the chopped ingredients with powder seasoning first, then pour in liquid sauce and egg. By stirring them in one direction until it's pasty, the filling will have a smooth, chewy, and bouncy texture. Second, get the dough skin ready. You can buy those ready-to-be-used dumpling wrappers from Chinese supermarkets, usually at the fridge section, to bypass this step. Or you can make it from scratch by simply mixing 500 grams of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of salt with 230 grams of water. Stretch the dough out into a strip, cut them into little cubes and roll it out into an even round flat shape. You want to prepare this step after the fillings are ready because you want to use the dough skin right away in case it gets sticky and hard to deal with. Third, wrap it up. There are many ways to wrap up your dumplings. Simply place suitable amount of fillings onto your dough skin and then enclose the fillings by sticking the dough skins together. But you can be creative on your dumpling shapes. This is a technique that my family usually uses. Simply pinch the dough wrap in the middle and then fold the edges towards the center by making 2 to 5 creases on each side. If you want the dough skin to be stickier, you can dip on some water. Those dumplings will have a crescent shape with those pretty little creases. A perfect dumpling would be of plenty of juicy fillings wrapped in thin dough skin. Therefore, the bigger portion of the filling you put in, the better it tastes. However, if you put in too much fillings, the wrap might break. You'll get the hang of it with practice. Also, people wrap in special ingredients such as dates, peanuts, chocolates, or even coins to make several lucky ones. It stands for people's best wishes for their loved ones in the coming year. As for the dipping sauce, this is optional. You can chop some ginger, garlic, green onion, and add them to the black vinegar. But black vinegar by itself is good enough. Afterwards, those dumplings can be either boiled, simmered, or pan-fried, or keep them frozen so that you can have them later up to 3 months. With the dipping sauce, each bite of dumpling is juicy and flavorful. Other than its tastiness, most importantly, it brings happiness and quality time together with family members. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and have a nice and warm holiday season with family and friends. Stay tuned for more Chinese food recipes.